Good morning, guys. Welcome to week 2. Today is Monday, April 13th, and we're ready to get started on another week of learning. You've all been working very hard, and I'm proud of you. Just stick with it and let me know how things are going. Remember, how well you do is up to you. How much you put in is how much you'll get out. So I'd like you to think about setting up an online journal, maybe in a Word document or email to yourself or email to me, and you could write me a Monday note, dear Mrs. Peterson. That would be really nice. And then also when you finish these lessons, take a minute to read every day and write every day. Practice your guitar for a few minutes. Those sorts of things would be great. But remember, the number one most important thing is to take care of yourselves. I hope you had a good weekend and that you took a break. Maybe you watched a good movie. This week, we're going to start the Wit and Wisdom module, Breaking Barriers. And it's all about the power of sports. So a good movie you could watch is The Blind Side. I really like that one. So if you'd like a recommendation for a good movie, that one is a powerful movie about sports. But today, we're going to start in Wit and Wisdom talking about apartheid in South Africa and Nelson Mandela and the sport of rugby. So enjoy that lesson today and have your notebook ready so that you can make some notice and wonder charts. You'll also have some vocabulary. You get to watch a documentary and read handout 1A, which should be in your blue workbook that you have that I sent to you that goes with the Breaking Barriers module. So you're going to talk about the power of sports and bringing people together, how it challenges injustices, and how it provides hope for the future. And that's a really nice thing to think about now that we're starting our second week of virtual learning. In math today, 5th graders, I'm going to be sending you an email about 5th grade math, and I'd like you to share the story problems you write today in math with each other and with me. So it's the same as 8.6 in your math textbook if you want to look at that, but please review it and then do the challenge problems, writing those story problems for the 4 examples that they give below that. 4th graders, when you start math, you're going to be talking about, do you know what division means? So you'll really need a parent by your side for this one because it requires a lot of talking about what you think. And we've done this one on 7.4, and we talked about division and what it means to have a remainder and what you do with those remainders. So go ahead and give me a call when you're going through that discussion, and I'll talk with you about it too. If you can't print any of these materials, just use paper or use your math flip book that I gave you to solve or write problems, or you can also write them online. PhD Science is the same units as last week. 4th grade is about the elephant scientist, and 5th grade is the cycle of rice. You can do either or both of those. Remember, that's the same. It takes about an hour, so you'll want to do that throughout the week, or maybe you'll choose one day to do science and do that all day. There will be another Reef Relief video that you could join in on and listen to, and that might be fun if you're interested in those. If you need any materials or anything, just let me know and I can run them by and leave them in your mailbox, or I can leave them here and you can pick them up if you have to come to town. Don't hesitate to contact me. It is Monday, so feel free to contact Mrs. Plant. She'd love to hear from you. And we'll just keep working. I'm really proud of you, and keep going. Don't forget, describe my pin for me so I know that you've been on. Talk to you later.